The 2025 Dodge Viper makes its return as one of the most thrilling and unapologetically aggressive supercars to ever hit the streets. After years of speculation, rumors, and countless enthusiasts demanding its revival, Dodge has finally delivered, a machine that blends raw American muscle with the precision and refinement expected from modern performance cars. Unlike many of its competitors that have softened their approach in favor of comfort and practicality, the Viper remains brutally honest about what it is designed for: speed, adrenaline, and the thrill of controlling pure mechanical power. At the heart of the new Viper lies an updated naturally aspirated V10 engine, a nod to the car's iconic legacy. Dodge engineers have managed to push the boundaries further by reworking the block, adding lightweight components, and integrating advanced fuel and cooling systems. The result is a power output of over 800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines ever placed into a production vehicle. The sound of the engine alone is enough to send shivers down the spine of anyone within earshot. A thunderous roar that reminds you this car is not built for the faint of heart. The 6-speed manual transmission remains available, a rarity in today's world of dual-clutch automatics, and it ensures that drivers who crave a raw connection to their machines get exactly what they want. The design of the 2025 Viper reflects its ferocious personality. Its long hood, wide stance, and sculpted lines pay homage to the classic Viper silhouette while adopting modern aerodynamic solutions to keep it stable at blistering speeds. The front fascia is lower and more aggressive, with massive air intakes feeding the hungry V10, while a functional rear diffuser and active spoiler provide the downforce needed to tame the car on the track. Every curve, vent, and surface has been engineered with performance in mind, ensuring the car doesn't just look fast but actually delivers. Lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum construction help reduce overall weight, making it more nimble without sacrificing durability. Inside, Dodge has elevated the Viper beyond its bare-bones racing roots while still maintaining its driver-focused identity. The cockpit features premium Alcantara, carbon fiber trim, and a digital driver display that offers customizable performance data. The bucket seats are designed to hold you firmly in place during aggressive cornering, and while comfort has improved compared to past models, the focus remains on delivering a pure driving experience. Modern technology such as Apple CarPlay, advanced navigation, and driver assistance systems are available. But Dodge has been careful not to overwhelm the cabin with unnecessary distractions. It is still, above all else, a car built for drivers who want to feel every vibration, hear every rev, and live for every shift of the gear stick. Performance numbers make the 2025 Dodge Viper a true contender in the modern supercar world. The car is capable of sprinting from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 215 miles per hour. Its track-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and performance-oriented tires ensure it can carve corners with the precision of European exotics, all while delivering the raw power that American muscle cars are known for. Dodge has even introduced multiple drive modes to allow drivers to fine-tune handling and throttle response, making the Viper versatile enough for both daily use and full-blown track days. What truly sets the 2025 Viper apart, however, is its refusal to conform to modern automotive trends. In a time when many supercars are adopting hybrid or fully electric powertrains, Dodge has stayed true to the Viper's roots, delivering an unapologetically loud, powerful, and visceral machine. This makes it not just a car, but a reminder of what driving passion feels like in its purest form. Collectors, enthusiasts, and adrenaline seekers will no doubt celebrate its return as one of the last true analog supercars in an increasingly digital world. The 2025 Dodge Viper stands as a testament to Dodge's commitment to performance and tradition. It blends iconic design, unmatched power, and a driving experience that is as intimidating as it is rewarding. For those lucky enough to own one, it won't just be a car in their garage, it will be a legend reborn, a machine that commands respect. Every time the engine roars to life, in an era of conformity, the Viper dares to be different, and that's exactly why it will remain unforgettable.